हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक माय चैनल। अगर आप भी फेसबुक क्रिएट करना चाहते हैं, ये वीडियो एंड पे देखो।
The speaker is your full name. Enter your first name and then your surname. What's your gender? You can change who sees your gender on your profile later. Enter your mobile number here on which you can be contacted. No one will see this on your profile. You can also select the option. Create a password with at least 6 letters and numbers. It should be something that others couldn't guess. If this is your account, we can help you log in. If this is not your account, you can create one now. Receive the code, you can add your profile